All right, not gonna lie. I was scrolling through TikTok, right? I came across this video. I did not know that this was Lil Yachty. I did not know. I was like, why does this sound like Lil Yachty?
Yeah. I took a walk to the motherland. This is that sound like? Alright. I took a walk to motherland.
I shoot to kill, never hesitate. So pray to the sky that it resonate. It was me on my own, to speculate. It's the year that I know I'm a detonate.
What you fucking with that, Phil? I took the walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland. I've been fiending like I'm keening, ride around with a Caltech. If you mean it, baby girl, do you mean it? I've been leaning, baby girl, I've been leaning. Phone still ringing, battling all my demons. I've been fiending, baby girl, I've been fiending. Hope you love me, baby, I hope you mean it. To Poland, I took the walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland.
Oh man, I wish this song was longer.
To Poland.
Hey, hey.
I took the walk
To Poland. I'm so happy they did this in Poland.
I took the walk to Poland. I've been feeling.
Why is this why is Lil Yachty so freaking goated with hooks, bro? Like the hooks he be dropping just be so catchy. Like he could literally, like this song, he could literally just say, I took the walk to Poland. Whole song. Still go crazy. Go nuts. Lyrical Lemonade, bro. I was watching a TikTok of them recording this. This really turned out really good. It turned out really good. And for it to be a minute and less than 30 seconds, fire. Number one trending, of course. Fire. Sheesh. Yachty with another banger. That he dropped it on SoundCloud and TikTok just blew it up out the water.
Nico Yard.